New event, new high-end Mac Mini rumored to launch at spring Apple event. Oh yeah, okay. I heard of a new high-end iMac, and now we got the new high-end Mac Mini, according to recent reports. The release date rumor comes by cross-referencing recent reports from display analyst Ross Young and Bloomberg's Mr. Mark Gurman, both of whom often provide accurate insights. Well, we know that. They talked about that mini LED display on an iMac Pro model, which could be popular amongst the YouTube content creator types. That's happened in the past. And now Young says he no longer expects the new iMac Pro to launch this spring, with a summer launch seeming more likely for the high-end all-in-one device. Taking Gurman's expectations into account, that means that the Mac Mini is likely the new Mac powered by Apple Silicon that will launch at Apple's spring event. Got it? So iMac Pro goes to summer. Higher end, more powerful Mac Mini goes to a spring event. Have you ever owned a Mac Mini, Will?
No. I would like to try one.
Is that right?
Just have it at home.
I mean, it's mini, small. What would you do with it?
Fortnite.
Okay.
No, I'm just
Oh,
joking.
but yeah, we did a video like that where you.
Yeah.
What's that video? It was like you were
What?
playing Fortnite on a MacBook. I can't even remember. iMac.
iMac, yeah.
You were playing Fortnite on an
Or a
iMac. Mo remembers. You got a nice little smile on
Samsung
his face.
monitor
A nice little
video.
smirk going on. Were you a part of that, Mo? Yeah. Mo doesn't have a microphone today. Vin stole it from him. Vin pushed him. Vin came in here, giant coat on.
Sized them up.
Oh, he did bring the chips. All right, shout out for the chips. These are Calbee, hot and spicy. I got to be honest, though, not nearly as spicy as I wanted. Tastes like a regular barbecue, but listen to this. All right, it's a one-time. Listen to this. All right, here's the crunch factor, which I know you're curious.
Yeah.
That's a very detailed crunch. I mean, it's fine.
Yeah.
Tastes like a barbecue chip. To be honest, I mean, flashy packaging and
It's not
such.
spicy at all.
Not really. Maybe a little smoke to it. It's not the spice you thought you were going to get when you saw hot and spicy on the front.
Right.
So, but that doesn't mean it's not pleasant. It's fine with me.
Oh well, I've had some in the past. I like potato chips. I don't want there to be any pain associated with that experience.
Yeah.
Not even a little bit?
You're a big potato guy, remember?
Yeah.
Remember we were in China and you're just looking for potatoes
Yeah.
at every restaurant. What do you have for potatoes? You remember that?
I just want uncooked spud.
Hey, no, he would take any potato, but
Yeah.
it wasn't a common thing he could find.
I was getting boiled potatoes.
Just plain.
Plain boiled potatoes.
A little bit of salt.
Well, the thing is with Vin is to be clear, he's not really full until he's had a potato. Like some kind of
Gives you sustenance.
some kind of a potato product or a grain product.
Yeah.
It's either a bread or it's a potato for
Fills you right up.
for a guy like Vin. But yeah, potato chips is a very popular way to eat a potato. Maybe tastier than a boiled potato. I don't know.
Yeah.
But you can. It's tough to find a potato in China. I mean, maybe they can give us suggestions, like whatever the potato dish is that we were missing.
Yeah, there's one
Go ahead.
in the north.
Go ahead.
It's
Which
made with
It's in the north, Will.
and it's like long green bean, a flat long green bean.
What does a bean have to do with it?
Wow, they're cooked together. It's
This one?
Sauteed green beans with potatoes. Asian cooking mom. You nailed it.
wow. The beans are
Vin, that's the dish.
well. The far right will
This one.
broad bean. Yeah, that's it.
It's a broad bean.
With
Except
noodles?
Without
Yeah,
noodle. Without
you
noodle.
can't have
Oh,
you
without
can't really have
noodles.
a potato and a noodle at the same time, can you?
Impossible.
No. Yeah, no noodle. No noodle.
That's the thing, isn't it? It's got to be one or the other when it comes to the starch. You got to make the choice. It's either going to be potato or it's going to be the
Mm.
I don't know why they can't. Maybe you're just too full at that point. Oh, God, they do come together. A pierogi. That's exactly what a pierogi is, isn't it? You get the
Yeah, potato and noodle.
and wheat style, and then the potatoes on the inside.
They are delicious, though.
A pierogi?
Yeah.
Damn, what am I even talking about? We had a samosa the other day. What's a samosa? They got the potato on the inside. So if you put it in a pocket, it can coexist. The grains and potatoes. You put it in a pocket.
Okay.
Together.
Is there anything else you want to say with this?
Yes, absolutely. It's about time. M1 everything. Apple has been rumored to be working on a Mac Mini to replace it. Yeah, you can't have these Intel models hanging out. It's
Cleanse.
yeah, you got to get rid of it. You can't have the Intel brand name in there. You're the most admired brand in the world. You have your own silicon and everything.
Yeah.